Welcome to Wood Arena, the channel where forest power meets craftsmanship. In this compilation, we follow the remarkable journey of wood, from felling massive trees to turning logs into premium timber. You'll witness skilled hands, precision machines, and the beauty of turning raw nature into valuable wood products. Our journey begins deep in the forest, where towering fir trees dominate the landscape. Here, a seasoned logger prepares to bring down one of the giants using a trusted workhorse, the Stihl Mississippi 440 chainsaw. Precision, experience, and deep respect for nature come together in this crucial first step of the timber cycle. Cutting down a tree of this size isn't just about brute force. It's about understanding the lean, reading the grain, and anticipating how the tree will fall. One wrong move can send the tree crashing into valuable equipment, or worse, create a dangerous situation for the crew. With a notch cut and the back cut underway, the logger carefully guides the fall. In a spectacular moment of accuracy, the FAR lands exactly where planned, directly onto a support stake. This kind of control shows not only experience, but the dedication to safety and sustainability that responsible forestry demands. Felling is more than just cutting. It's about managing forests wisely. In many regions, each harvested tree is replaced with saplings to ensure long-term renewal. Logging crews like these often work closely with landowners and forest agencies to follow reforestation guidelines and ensure healthy woodlands for future generations. What happens next? Once felled, the tree will be trimmed, measured, and hauled to a sawmill or portable mill for processing. But before that, the hard-earned timber must be safely transported, often across rugged terrain. Let's follow that next step, where raw logs are turned into refined products using some of the most innovative milling equipment available today. Now that we've felled and transported the timber, it's time to begin the transformation from raw log to usable wood. Enter the Woodmizer LX25. A powerful yet compact portable sawmill that turns large logs into valuable lumber right on site. Today, we're milling a striking ash log, destined to become a bar-top slab. Ash wood is prized for its light color, strong grain, and remarkable workability. But before any of that beauty is revealed, the mill must do its job with precision. The LX25 is ideal for jobs like this, a blend of manual control and mechanical reliability. The log is loaded onto the bed, clamped tightly, and aligned for the first cut. Each pass of the saw blade slices through the wood with a smooth hum, revealing fresh surfaces hidden for decades inside the tree. This ash slab is destined to become furniture-grade lumber, and it's a process that takes patience. A skilled operator adjusts for thickness, grain direction, and any natural defects that might appear in the wood. The goal is not just to cut boards, but to bring out the best possible quality from each slab. As the mill moves along its rails, you can see the character of the ash emerging, rings of time, knots of strength, and swirls that tell the story of the tree's life. It's this connection to nature that gives handcrafted furniture its warmth and individuality. Portable sawmills like the LX25 offer more than just flexibility. They're part of a growing movement in small-scale, sustainable woodworking. Instead of shipping logs to far-off factories, many artisans now process their own lumber locally. It reduces waste, saves on fuel, and brings craftsmanship back to the heart of the community. And for many older Americans watching, these machines represent something familiar. The hard-working spirit of the past, now refined with the technology of today. Whether you grew up working in a mill or simply admire the craft, the rhythm of this work is timeless. Once milled, the slab will be air-dried or kiln-dried to reduce moisture content, ensuring it won't warp or crack. Then it will be planed, sanded, and finished, ready to serve as a bar top, a countertop, or even a family heirloom. Now let's move on to a different kind of machine, one built for heavy-duty work at an industrial scale. Meet the Eschlböck Biber 92, a powerful wood chipper that plays a vital role in modern forestry operations. Unlike sawmills that produce boards and beams, this machine handles branches, tops, and irregular logs, reducing them to uniform wood chips. Why is that important? Because wood chips fuel biomass plants, mulch landscaping projects, and even become raw material for particle board and paper. Nothing goes to waste. The Biber 92 features a massive feed system that pulls in material quickly and safely. Its drum chipper design uses a rotating drum with cutting knives that slice wood into consistent chips. Even gnarled and knotty branches are no match for this beast. Efficiency matters here. These machines are often used on-site, turning forestry byproducts into marketable goods without needing to haul debris long distances. The chips can be collected into a truck directly or blown into a trailer for transport. And the operation is designed with the user in mind. Hydraulics adjust feed speed, while safety systems help prevent jams and operator hazards. It's a far cry from the old days of hand-fed machines. With the Biber 92, forestry operations become cleaner and more profitable. It's part of a full-circle approach to timber harvesting, where even the scraps serve a purpose. Next, we visit another portable sawmill, this one designed for maximum versatility in remote areas. The Serra Montana Maryland 110 is a mobile sawmill engineered for rugged conditions and serious cutting power. This is the kind of machine you bring deep into the forest, where transporting logs is harder than bringing the mill to them. In this segment, we see the Maryland 110 in action, cutting a thick trunk into even boards with remarkable speed. Its wide carriage and robust engine allow it to process hardwoods and softwoods alike, and its blades stay sharp longer thanks to precision guides and cooling systems. The mobile design doesn't mean compromise. With proper setup, the Maryland 110 delivers professional-grade cuts on par with industrial mills. Operators can adjust thickness, blade height, and feed rate with precision, ensuring each board comes out clean and straight. For rural communities or remote forestry operations, this kind of sawmill is a game changer. It allows small crews to turn local trees into usable lumber for housing, furniture, or commercial sale, without needing a large factory or huge trucks. There's also a cultural legacy here, a return to working with your hands, knowing your materials, and producing something lasting. Many older Americans will recognize this rhythm, the hum of the blade, the scent of fresh-cut wood, and the satisfaction of seeing a rough log turn into something useful. From a forestry perspective, mobile mills also help reduce the environmental footprint. They prevent unnecessary hauling and allow for selective logging, choosing only mature trees and leaving younger growth untouched. And finally, the lumber produced here will go on to serve builders, woodworkers, and craftsmen, the very people who give timber its second life as homes, furniture, and everyday tools. Thanks for joining us on this incredible wood journey. From forest to finished product, every step matters. Subscribe to Wood Arena for more craftsmanship, power, and the beauty of working with wood.